Pork Trooper.
Yeah.
I liked the results of that cloning experiment you did, although we need to do something about their personalities.
The personalities, you say, boss? Aren't they fine? I don't see this being an issue.
Well, no, of course, it's not an issue per se, but wouldn't it be a bit boring just to have a bunch of you running around?
I mean, I do suppose so. I can understand where you're coming from.
Thought so. That's why I created an invention. Come on, follow me.
Oh, great. What now?
So while I was thinking about this, while I was deep in thought last night, I created something. Observe.
Sir, that's just a wardrobe.
Oh, no, silly pig. Look, if I open it up, we have a little compartment here. And we can put one of those clones in there and get a new one.
And this can help us. How?
Well, it's simple. I put a bunch of electronics in it that will get us the desired result of a new personality for that tiny trooper. Speaking of, get that tiny trooper here. He'll be our first test subject. I'm waiting here.
All right.
Okay, while he's gone, if I just flick that. Perfect.
Hey, no, wait, get off me,
Sorry, boss's orders.
Wait, no.
And you get in there and the magic happens?
Precisely! Now that he's all tucked into there...
Why am I in here? I want to get out.
No. I shut the door up. Like so. And we watch the magic happen.
Why is it glowing? Oh my goodness.
Boss, are you sure this is completely safe?
You know what? No, I'm not.
Oh dear.
Yo! Oh man, I feel good. Okay. Whew. Alrighty. See, what I tell you, completely safe. Sup, Grand General? When are we gonna get those eggs anyway? I'm so bored just waiting around here. We gotta do something, man. Like, come on!
All in good time, Tiny Trooper, all in good time. Why don't you go hop along for now and I'll give you orders later.
Oh, right, yeah. Sure thing, General, sure thing. Alright. Alright. Let's go reset this thing then, shall we? Let's go reset it.
So, you ready to go into the Great Beyond? The Great Beyond in question being a wardrobe. Yeah, I'm game. This is something to all of my confidence.
It's ready. Come on, bring the next one over already. Come on, hurry.
Boss, please, you worry yourself too much. I'm here, go on. Let's do this thing, eh? Whoop!
Oh, this is gonna be good. Now then. Now that we know this for sure works, it should be a little bit less eventful.
You know, I've got to hand it to you, boss. This is actually a pretty neat invention, if you think about it.
What can I say? I'm not a miracle worker. I just know what I'm doing. Ought to be finished now.
Well, a little bit better than I didn't know, but you know what? This ain't half bad. Hey, boss, this feels great. Thank you very much.
Ooh, a gruffer one. I like you already. I don't have anything for you to do at the moment, so why don't you just go stand guard? Me, Pork Trooper here, will inform you of your mission later.
You copy that, boss?
You know what, boss? Color me impressed as usual. But you know, we really could use this on some of our other minions. Just think of the possibilities that could be made if we were to use this on...
Oh, no. We're not using this on any of our other minions. Unless we make any more clones, of course. No, I think this is more of a one-time thing. It doesn't feel right with actual people, you know? I mean, not that they're actual people. You know what I mean, Anyway, I'll get back to you with a plan. Just hang tight. We're really close on this one, I can promise you.
Well, I suppose I can go train the new minions, of course. Well, new with an asterisk, they are still me, but... alright. See you around, boss.
Yes, yes. Now the fun can begin. Name. There are so many good names here and so many other good names in my head. Oh, which one to choose? Which one to choose? I've got it. I've got the perfect name. Those birds will never know what hit them.